How to repair a flat tire with the Tire Mobility Kit. If you experience a tire puncture while driving, the TPMS warning light on the instrument panel will illuminate. In the case of a flat tire, ensure you move the car to a safe location before attempting any repairs. You can use the Tire Mobility Kit, found under the trunk floor, as a temporary solution to fix the flat tire. Step 1. Open the trunk and take out the Tire Mobility Kit under the floor. Attach the speed limit label on the sealant container to a conspicuous location, such as the steering wheel, and observe the speed limit when driving the vehicle after repair. Step 2. Shake the sealant bottle well and connect it to the compressor mount after removing the cap from the sealant bottle and the holder cap from the compressor. Step 3. Ensure that the compressor is turned off. Unscrew the valve cap of the damaged tire. Connect the sealant bottle's filling hose to the tire valve. Step 4. Connect the compressor's power connector to the vehicle's power outlet. Step 5. Start the vehicle and turn on the compressor. Step 6. Inject sealant until the tire reaches the proper pressure. Step 7. Turn off the compressor, remove the hose from the tire valve, and return the Tire Mobility Kit under the trunk floor. Step 8. Drive the vehicle at a speed of 20 to 80 km per hour for 7 to 10 km or 10 minutes to evenly distribute the sealant inside the tire. Tire Mobility Kit cautions. After using the Tire Mobility Kit to seal a tire, ensure the tire is replaced at the nearest Kia service center within 200 km. During this period, it is recommended to keep your speed below 80 km per hour. The Tire Mobility Kit is specifically designed to seal punctures in the tread area where the tire makes contact with the road. Avoid using the Tire Mobility Kit for repairing large punctures or any damage to the tire sidewalls, as it is not suitable for these types of repairs. I hope this information is helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions.